Welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today we're going to learn two simple forms. Enjoy the sun. Let's start in our standing form. Rolling the shoulders, lift the shoulders right up to the ears, a big shrug, big sense of I don't know. We move away from the pursuit of knowledge. We start just letting things go, helping move ourselves out of our habit energy and more along the lines of just seeing what's going to happen. First form we'll do is a water element form. Let's take our left arm behind our back, right arm sweeps down. We inhale to lift up, turn the palm, sigh it out as we scoop up water energy. Bend the knees and just come down as far as is comfortable. Moving with the breath, inhaling to lift up, exhaling, turn the palm, let it go. Sigh it out. Moving through a full 180-degree twist of our lumbar spine. When our water element is out of balance, we might feel fear, be overwhelmed with a feeling of unsurety about what's coming next. We bring our water element into balance just by slowly moving through the spine, embracing the Taoist idea of not knowing, not needing to know, not needing to control, just being as nature is. Let's switch arms, opposite side. Follow the hand with the eyes, moving with the breath. We use practice to help us face difficulties with creativity, enthusiasm, for there will always be things that happen that we don't wish to happen. Whatever difficulty we meet becomes the path. We use practice to help us let go of our story, to help us turn towards the difficulty, use suffering to find strength. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This is a line from the Tao Te Ching. And often we say we want things, but we take no active steps to achieve them. But remember that joy comes from learning something new, the adventure, the challenge. Slowly come back to the Wuji stance, the standing form. Next form today is called Embrace the Tiger, Return to the Mountain. Take our arms slowly up to shoulder height, drop the elbows, draw the hands in. Turn the palms and push out to the sides, opening the heart. And turn the palms and draw them back together. We inhale to lift up and exhale to sweep the palms down, bend the knees. Inhale to draw earth energy up through the center line. Exhale, hands back to the dantian. We use Qigong practice to bring us into harmony with nature. It's a kind of internal energy training, a moving meditation to help us find balance, health, harmony. It helps affirm that idea that we can control our internal system, not the external world. External world often built of randomness, chaos. But our internal system we can control through our breath. Qigong is a preventative health practice empowering us to be self-reliant, responsible for our well-being, rather than just shift decision-making to doctors or have reliance on medication. So we just teach ourselves to flow, to move as nature does, without trying, without effort. Moving with the breath, moving without conscious thought. In Qigong, this is a thing called Wu Wei, W-U-W-E-I, Wu Wei. Essentially means to move without having to think. For there to be no trying, no meddling, no straining or striving, nowhere to get to, nowhere to be. Sense of aimlessness or purposelessness. We aim to move with alertness but no tension, with relaxation but without any dullness. Thanks for joining Park Practice today. Take a moment to just sense how you feel right now. Bring your hands together, create a little bit of warmth. Maybe bring the palms up to your face and just take a moment in gratitude for the decision to practice today. Hope to see you again very soon.